to the channel. My name is Josh, the Cooking Cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today is the last day of freedom for me. I go back into the hospital tomorrow, so Babe's gonna feed me, and we're gonna grub down. We're making breakfast Smashburgers. 3 different kinds?
3 kinds.
3 different kinds of breakfast Smashburgers for your video viewing enjoyment, right?
Yes, I always try and clean the fridge out before he goes into the hospital. And so we've got some stuff that needs to be used, and we're turning it into magic.
Yes. So today, the Smashburgers, we're going to be making them on our Pit Boss 5-burner griddle outside. It's a little bit cooler outside today in Southern California. I know that nothing is compared to other parts of the country. But yeah, it's breakfast time, and Babe's going to get cooking.
Let's do it, babe.
And here we go.
Okay, here is a list of ingredients that we're going to use. Okay, so we're doing 3 different types of burgers. So we have a lot of meat. So our first burger is going to be a ham, egg, and cheese smash burger. So you'll use 2 pieces of ham. We're going to do our smash burger ground beef, 1 egg, cheese, hash browns, and our bun. We're using brioche buns. Also, don't forget, shout out to Carter Ranch. They provide us with all of our eggs from their ranch. Okay, our second burger is going to be prosciutto. So we're going to do prosciutto, meat, egg, cheese. I'm not sure if I'm going to do hash browns on that one yet. And our bun, our brioche bun. Our third one is going to be a basic breakfast smash burger. That's going to have your bacon, your egg, your cheese, your hash brown, your brioche bun. And on all of these, we're going to be using some new spice company that we found. We're going to try the spiced honey bacon and the smoked bacon bourbon. This is called Old Town Spice Shop.
We heard about that from Cooking with Rye.
Yeah.
So
we're going to give all that a go and see what happens.
Spiced honey bacon and smoked bacon bourbon seasonings in the burger, babe?
Yeah. Are you pretty excited?
I'm excited. Okay, here we go.
All right, let's do it. All right, to start, we're going to do our hash browns. These always take the longest, and I keep mine in the freezer, so they still are a little bit frozen, but that's okay. They're just going to chill over here while I do everything else.
You know what else needs to chill? All the gardeners and the extra noise.
No kidding.
That needs to chill.
No kidding. Alright, so I have my big thing of hash browns here. Hash brownies are yum. Okay, we're going to put a little salt and pepper to season these. Not too much because we do have the other flavors of the bourbon, bacon, honey. Just need a little bit. Alright, I'm going to spray a little tiny bit more oil on these. And mix them one more time, and then we're just going to let them set. Okay, next we want to get our bacon started. You always want to start with what takes the longest, obviously. I don't feel like you have to rush through cooking on the griddle. This is fun and relaxing. All right, flip our bacon. Now I do have our griddle at medium on this side and low on this side. Okay, it's burglar time. Make sure you have enough space in between each one. This is a very controversial topic, so let's see if I get it right.
We should have got some parchment paper so it wouldn't stick. Because now when you pull it up, it might stick. Be careful when you pull it up, Dan. Oh, good job!
All right, we're going to do some smoked bacon. Smoked bacon. Smoked bacon. And we're going to do spiced honey bacon. spiced honey bacon. Oh my gosh, these smell really good. Spiced honey bacon. I don't think you need a whole lot of seasoning with these. They smell pretty good, pretty strong. Okay. Okay. Next, I gotta set my eggs up. Okay, before I do the eggs, I'm gonna flip my burgers. Oops.
I gotta zoom in, babe, and show people the crust.
Yeah, show them the crust, babe. Oh boy. There we go. All right, it's eggy time. Eggy, eggy. Oh, look, it's a double yolk. That's awesome. Ooh. Oh yeah, ranch eggs are so good. All right, we'll let those sit for a sec. Go ahead and throw our ham and our prosciutto on. These will cook really quick. It's already pre-cooked, so you just have to heat it up. And let's check out how our hash browns are doing. You might have to do this part, babe. Oh boy.
Just mix them all up, babe.
I know, but I need a crust. You ready? There we go. Okay, see our prosciutto cooks very quick. Looks like our burgers are pretty much done.
It's time to cheese them.
Ham, yep.
How's your bacon?
Good. I've turned everything to low. Got our eggs are cooking. Let's cheese up. Okay, ready? Lay down our buns. Our little bunny buns. Wherever we can find room. That looks like a good spot. And that looks like a good spot. Okay. Okay, these are looking good. So we'll take the rings off. Give those a little flip. All right, so I've got this whole side off. I'm just finishing up the potatoes. Everything is done. It smells fantastic, actually. Can you smell that sweetness of that?
Yeah, it smells really good. The honey bacon bourbon. Yeah.
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
Now it's time to build, babe.
Now it's time to build. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. We're gonna start with one patty. Then we're gonna go and add a little bit of hash brown.
This one's getting hash browns.
This one's getting hash browns. This is gonna be our basic burger. Second patty. Whew. Bacon. Egg. Deliciousness. Second. Oh yeah.
The crown.
Top. Or you can put it up top, whatever you think. All right, our second one. Our second one is going to be burger, hash brown.
This one's getting hash browns too.
Yeah. Ham, burger, ham, egg, and our topper. Third and final, meat, prosciutto, meat, egg, and the top. Whew. There you go. Okay, this, ladies and gentlemen, is a breakfast smash burger 3 different ways. So you really can't say that you don't like a breakfast smash burger because there's so many options.
I gotta show you guys a close-up of these. Holy moly. Babe, you went a little crazy.
Yeah, babe, I just wanted to feed you.
Not really sure who's eating all that. That is intensity. All right, let's eat.
All right, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
This is the prosciutto and egg. This is the ham, egg, cheese, hash brown.
How are we even gonna eat that, babe?
Don't know. And this is bacon, egg, hash brown, and cheese.
Oh my.
There you go. 3 different burgers, 3 different ways, 3 different deliciousnesses. There you are. Are you ready?
I need to roll up my sleeves for this.
Roll your sleeves
Get my...
up. Unlock your jaw. And let's do it.
Yummy. I'm gonna need a paper towel.
Yeah, you are. All right, babe.
Okay.
Which one are you trying first?
I like the ham, hash brown. That one looks good. Yeah.
Okay, you try that one first. I'll try prosciutto.
Oh boy.
Are you ready?
Oh boy.
Cheers.
Oh boy.
I like that seasoning.
That seasoning is good. I definitely got the honey. That's how I taste. The honey bacon bourbon.
Oh my gosh. I love it because it almost gives it a little bit of sweetness that could make it like, you know, like a, what are those breakfast sandwiches at McDonald's that have the sweet outer?
Oh yeah, McGriddle.
Yeah, it almost has that kind of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Prosciutto is very rich, so. Okay. You like it?
That was good, babe.
Okay, you try this. You try the prosciutto one next. I'll try the.
Woo!
I'll try the ham, egg, and cheese
Okay.
and hash brown.
I like it. Oh, can I have one more favorite though? Oh.
That's good too.
Woo! I'm like a totally unprofessional eater. Just.
Yeah, yeah. It's
I
awesome.
don't think I'm appetite.
I love it. Okay, which one's your favorite so far?
The ham. The ham one is
I like
good.
the prosciutto so far. Okay, you want to try the last one?
Now we try the last one.
Let's do it. This is
Woo.
hash brown, egg, bacon, cheese, 2 burgers, and a
1
lot
cup
of love. Oh, gross. Okay, ready?
Ooh.
Is that okay?
I couldn't wait. That one might be my favorite.
I love that seasoning. That is a great breakfast seasoning. It would be good on anything, but I love it on the breakfast burger.
Woo.
Because
The
it
bacon.
brings-
The bacon one is my favorite.
Is that?
That was really good.
I like that sweet.
Yeah. Good job, babe. Good job.
I think I like the prosciutto one best.
Really? They're all good. They're all good. You guys have to do this on the flat top griddle. Experiment. That's good stuff.
Really good.
Really good. We have to thank our top tier channel members. Let's scroll their names across the screen right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate everybody that's hitting that join button. The join button looks like that. Hit the join button. A lot of behind the scenes stuff. Babe shares all of her babe secrets with you if you're in the club.
Babe secret.
That's right. All right. We'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.
Thank you.